I think. But our system is not leave it there. Our system is there. See? And then it's like you're gonna get it. See? And then I cannot do it. Then I have to maneuver. See? See? So if you are going distance, I just with her. Just fuck me. See? Or either either say fuck me. Or either I strike and then when he goes back, you're there. See? Automatically. That is it. With this, I just give you some highlights.
Yes.
If I give you the Unforgiven, it is Unforgiven. See? And then, okay, go. And then he goes, where is he going? You see? He got this way, then he can move this way. Then, you see? This is Unforgiven. I just give you the highlights. But actually, when we strike, we don't stop there. When we strike, you see? And then he just, then he move, you see? It's always. If I have to strike, he just that way. If I go down this way, that way. If I go that way, that way. So it's all be there. So no way, he can, even how space yan. Okay, yun. See, good. See. And then chicken. See? There is always here. But if I have to do this way, pop. See? That's why in our system is different. When you strike this way, back, it's always come back here. We never leave it there because it's going to get it. Like this now. See? And then I strike. Then, see? It's always hanging on. Then if I have to move, he knows where it is going. Yeah. Just feel, huh? Feel, see? And then when are you going? You see? I can feel it. Where is moving? You see? That's the difference. But the basic is you don't have to leave it there. Just go back here. Because if you gotta strike this way, then you can do this way. And that's very high. I just see you there. No. If I have to strike there, yeah, I think, and this is what I use is what they call this forehand. No? I can forehand, then back forehand, or either forehand, backhand. See? Then I go backhand, then go ahead. Then I go backhand again. And then you're gonna get that forehand. So that's the difference. Because within this strike, forehand, backhand, or forehand, but it must be connected here. That's the difference. Because by normally, this is what? This is forehand, one, 2, backhand, 3, forehand, 4, backhand, 5, forehand, yeah, 6, backhand, 7, backhand, 8, backhand, 9, backhand, 10, forehand. Forehand, it can be like this. You can forehand, you can backhand, or you can backhand, then forehand, then backhand. So there is a variation. Not like 1, 2, 3, 4. I see. I know. That's why I told them. I know your art, but you don't know system my art. And no problem, even you are left-handed or right-handed, the same thing. This bomb squad is left-handed. But just remember, also remember this. So once there is engagement, do not stop there. Once you stop there, pop, see, this will go. And when I strike you, then you know, see, because when I strike you, I know he's going to get it. Then if I have to do it, he's going to get it. So I know, and then when he strike me, where, so I know where he's going, because he, oh, see, oh, then I can redirect his movement. Oh, see, I can redirect his movement, because the most important is that you help, because this will determine your movement. That's why. I think the father of this one, they're fighting blindfolded. That's why Ruben say, no way, I can fight with you. I told them, okay. Then Kakoy Kanyiti is my best friend. She's Kakoy, she's mga nephew. Okay, I told you, never dare to challenge these guys. They are not for tournament. They are real fighter. They're fighting just to the end. Because with this one, once you strike this one, then the end. You strike one. This one. It's going to quit, see?
So fast.
So I have so many needly things, but it cannot be used during That's right. If I have to leave it, it's easy for him to come in. But if I have to do it this way, say, if I have to go this way, see, I can go that way. Or if I go this way, then see. So there must be coordination between Chekan and you, the one who stick. And then you hold the stick. So if you're going to use that's why my system is first soft one. This is soft one, no soft. But the segunda, this is the tertia. You call it tertia. You can take it. But if it's second, segunda, it's punishment. But if it's primera or first, I don't think you can withstand with 2 to 3 strikes. So the mechanic is this.